Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. Today we are going to start the chemistry for grade ninth, and we have the lecture number 1, that is from the unit fundamentals of chemistry, and the topic we have it is the introduction to chemistry. So let's have what is chemistry. Basically, before the understanding of chemistry, we must know that what is science and what are the branches of science. So basically, if we have a look on the science and its branches, by definition, science is the understanding of this world and how the things are going to work. This is known as basically science. And science has a lot of branches. The number one branch we have it is the biology. The second one branch is we have it is chemistry, and third one the main branch we have it is physics. So in turn and etc. There are a lot of branches that science does have. So everything around us and we have to understand this word. This is known as basically science, that how the things are going to work, that how the things are going to be made and what type of substances are going to make this world. All this understanding we called it as basically science. So basically science is divided into a lot of branches. The main branches we have biology, we have chemistry, we have physics, we have geology, a lot of. Next we have the branch is introduction to chemistry. It is the main branch of science basically. So s- chemistry we have it is the branch of science, and mainly it deals with the composition, structure, properties, and the third one is chemical reactions. And all this related to the main thing that is we called as matter. So science is basically the understanding of the world. But science has branch that is known as chemistry, and in mainly chemistry we deals with the study of composition, structure, properties, and chemical reactions of the matter. Now what is matter? So you should know that what does mean by matter. Anything that is having some mass and occupy some space, occupy some space, that thing is known as basically matter. So everything that is having mass and occupy some space, it is known as matter. And now we need to know that what is matter, what is the composition of matter, what are the main components of matter, what is the structure of matter, what are the properties of matter, and what are the chemical reactions that are going to be happen in the matter. This is known as mainly chemistry. So we have the examples related to matter. For example, if we have a chair around us, if we have a table, if we have a pen, if we have a book, everything is having mass, and these things also occupy some space. So these are the examples of matter. In short, everything around us is known as matter. Everything around us is basically known as matter. So, understanding of matter, composition, structure, and properties along with the chemical reactions of the matter, it is known as mainly chemistry. Next, we have the technology and science also provides us a lot of facilities. Now, basically, the technology and along with the science, they have provided us a lot of facilities. And what type of facilities they are going to provide? For example, if we know the importance of petrochemicals. Now, what are petrochemicals? Petrochemicals are the petrols and diesels. Along with we have a lot of products like medicines, we have paints, we have detergents, we have soaps, and we have plastics, and we have insecticides and pesticides. Insecticides, and we have pesticides. So what does mean by the pesticides? Mainly pesticides and insecticides. So we have a lot of products, that is the blessing of mainly science. We have petrochemicals, it includes the petrol, we have the diesel, basically these are the fuels. So in fuels, if we are going to talk about the things, so we have the diesel, we have the medicines to cure the many diseases, we have paints, we have detergents for the cleaning purpose, we have soaps, we have plastics, we have insecticides. Insecticides, basically these are the chemicals that are used to kill the insects. And on the other hand, pesticides, these are the chemicals that are used to kill the pest. So all these are the blessings of the chemistry. Here we have the paints, here we have all the chemicals or in the farms to kill the insects, and here we have detergents and soap for the cleaning purpose. All these are the mainly blessings of the mainly is science, and next we have the branch is chemistry. So chemistry is going to work in everything that is around us. Next we have there are many chemical industries. So all these chemical industries are going to provide us a lot of products. Along with the production of these products, they are also going to produce the waste, and these waste may be toxic. So they may have problems related to the health. So if we have the blessings of science, or we can say that the blessings of chemistry, along with it is also having some problems for us that are going to produce the waste toxics. So in turn, both we can say that the main thing is it is a blessing because it is going to produce a lot of products in the chemical industry. In chemical industries, we have a lot of products like the production of paper, the production of cement, the production of important chemicals. So all these is just going to be happen due to the chemistry. So chemistry has a lot of facilities for us. This is all about the today's lecture. I hope you guys understand what is the chemistry and what is the science. And for further, if you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon, inshallah. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.